Hundreds of snowboarders pay tribute to the shredfather with first tracks for Jake Burton. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.
Yeah, baby!
Several hundred snowboarders gathered at Vail Mountain early this morning for a memorial first tracks in honor of Jake Burton Carpenter, the founder of Burton Snowboards, who died late last year at 65. Waiting in line at Gondola 1 was Sean from East Vail.
I did get to meet him on top of Vail Mountains, on top of the Minturn Mile, which is his favorite run. So I feel super blessed to be out here with everyone.
Also in line were at least a dozen pros, including Burton team rider Mark McMorris.
My first memory of Jake Burton was the first time I ever really went to Vermont after I had signed with Burton. And I was just amazed that we got to meet the founder of the brand, and he was just the homie instantly.
With McMorris was fellow team rider Danny Davis. He could not remember his first meeting with Jake, but he has been a Burton fan since before going pro.
Probably around like 13 or 14 years old. And the local rep, Mike Cox, was the snowboard rep in Michigan, and we were doing everything we could to kind of try and get a hold of that guy to get some boards and be a part of the program.
Riders met at Riva Glad, one of Jake's favorite runs, for a group ride, rocking stickers and waving flags that read, "Ride on Jake." Burton announced earlier this week that 13 resorts worldwide are giving snowboarders free tickets on March 13th for Global Day of Snowboarding, and Copper Mountain is already out of tickets. Resort officials confirmed they had a limited number of tickets. As of yesterday, they have all been claimed. The nearest case of coronavirus is in California, more than 1,000 miles away, but local health officials know Summit County is a hub for international travel, and they've been preparing since January. Aaron Parmet, Infection Prevention Manager for Summit Medical Center.
We hope for the best, but we plan for the worst so that we're ready for it.
Coronavirus is considered an emerging disease, meaning it has the potential to spread fast and be deadly if unchecked.
I've studied outbreaks of the past. The key thing is keep a level head and focus on the truth. And if you're the person with the knowledge, always communicate the truth, never hide anything.
At the Frisco Hospital, protocols include virus screening for every patient who is sick and was recently abroad. Parmet is also reminding locals we are in peak flu season. Wash hands, cover coughs, and stay home from work or school if you are sick. A Mumps outbreak at Keystone has spread to 26 people, including 2 non-employees. County health officials yesterday confirmed the spread, up from 17 cases this Monday and 3 cases earlier this month. The 2 non-employees are the first cases of mumps outside Keystone, but officials are confident there is little threat to the public. Sarah Lopez with the county.
We want to emphasize that the risk to the general population remains low at this time. People who are worried about mumps should check their vaccine status to ensure they are protected.
Health and resort officials are working together to manage the outbreak, educating employees about infection and telling sick employees to stay home at least 5 days. In sports, the Avalanche play the Hurricanes tonight at 5:30. The Nuggets play the Clippers at 8:30 on ESPN. Tomorrow, the Avalanche play the Predators, and on Sunday, the Nuggets face the Raptors. And in local sports, brought to you by Wilderness Sports in Dillon, it's day 3 of the Burton U.S. Open in Vail, where Jamie Anderson took first for women's slopestyle ahead of Austria's Anna Gasser and Japan's Miyabi Onitsuka. Men are wrapping up now, including defending champ Red Gerard, and he would love to cap the season with a repeat.
End the season with happiness and not, never getting too down. So I think that's our goal here, to have as much fun as we can.
Tomorrow is closing day at the USO with modified halfpipe finals. Maddie Mastro is the lone U.S. woman. For men, Eagles' Jake Pates and Summit's Chase Blackwell try to dethrone Australian heavyweight Scotty James. Today is the final day of state ski championships for Alpine and Nordic, with slalom at Beaver Creek and skate at Molloy Park in Minturn. Yesterday at Giant Slalom, the Summit High girls team finished 3rd out of 13 teams behind Aspen and Evergreen. The boys took 7th out of 13 behind first place Aspen. The Nordic team raced Classic in Minturn, still waiting on official results. Phil Lindemann, Krystal, 93 News.